Hi guys, I'm back again with one more new topic. So today's topic is, we come across in our life a lot of negativity and people try to push you down, and they always demotivate you. They will discourage you and they'll always try to pull you down. So how to handle this kind of situation and how you have to grow out of this, and how you can make this as a growing opportunity. And let me explain you with a small example. So you all know the eagle, right? So eagle can fly high, and the biggest weakness for eagle or anyone who can attack eagle is a crow. Actually, what crow can do is it can go back of the eagle and it keep pinching on his neck. Actually, it can keep pinching on the neck, and eagle cannot do anything. So eagle has two options: either give up, because it is flying on it, and it can sit on the back and it keep pinching on his neck, because it cannot do anything, because it can't do sides, because it cannot reach the eagle, right? So what happens is, so how the eagle handles it? So what eagle does it, so it will actually forget about what is happening on the back. It keep focus on what he has to do. Okay, what it does is it keep flying higher and higher and higher and higher. Okay, the more and more and higher is gone, so this pinching of the crow will come down, because the eagle can fly so high, so even the way the oxygen levels are very less, but crow cannot go that much high. The more and more higher this eagle is going higher, this crow will start losing the oxygen, and after certain point of time, after certain point of height, the crow loses the oxygen and it will falls down, and eagle still keep flying. And that's how it handles the situation. If you see the eagle mindset, eagle is not worried about what a negativity or what is a struggle it is going through behind. Okay, it always focus on going forward and going higher. And over a period of time, what happens, whatever the struggle and whatever the negativity it has, it is all gone automatically. And after a certain point of time, once it reaches to higher, and crow looks at the eagle and says, oh my god, what a bird, when will I actually fly that high? So if you see in this example, it same thing happens to even with our life, even with our fitness. So even I have gone through that during my fitness journey. So I'll tell you some of the examples. Whenever you start, first of all, they'll start judging you. You are so fat, you cannot do you cannot lose weight, you are like this, your genetics are like this, don't stop wasting your time. This is some of the things. And whenever you start diet, he said, why do you need to restrict so much of food? Are you mad? Are you gonna live like this, eating this food forever? You can't enjoy your life. And then they may say you said you cannot do it, you are like this for so many years and you cannot change your body, stop doing it. And they always try to pull you down what you want to achieve. Okay, so if you decide that you want to lose a weight or you want to achieve something in your life, keep focus on your plan and keep doing it, irrespective of what this naysayers or what is this negative people wants to pull you down. Don't listen to them. Just listen with this year and leave out of this year. Don't take any stress beyond that. Okay, just focus on your day in day out grind, or day in day out of hitting your daily goals of whatever the plan you decided. You keep doing it. Exactly the moment you start seeing a changes in your body, all these naysayers, all this negativity, they will shut their mouth. They will actually appreciate you. They will actually feel wow, you did an amazing job. So whoever will trouble you, whoever try to pull you down, the best gift to them is your transformation. Work on it day in and day out, and achieve your goal, and achieve whatever your fitness goal. Reach there and show them. That is the best gift you have to give. You don't need to answer any of these naysayers. You don't need to respond to them. Just focus on your day in and day out grind. Just focus on what you have to do on a day. Hit that and keep moving forward. Don't even think about it. Don't even answer them. Don't even say, or don't even take any stress whatever they say. That's how you can do it. And that's the same thing happened when I started my fitness journey. No one even supported me. They said that I have done so many times, okay, I have gained a weight, sorry, I have lost a weight and I have gained a weight. The people used to laugh at me. This guy is, you know, every 6 months he'll be fat and every 6 months he's thin. What he's trying to do? You did so many times. But I kept trying, never gave up. And people say this guy is quantifying everything, whatever, you know, he eats. But right now, whoever has, judged me, whoever has actually told negative and pushed me down, now they all has answered what a dedication and what the focusing on your daily goals can take you. Now everyone, whoever has told me that, they said, hats off buddy, you are done amazing job. They all just literally opened their mouth. That is only happened because I never listened to naysayers, I never listened to negativity. I just focused on my plan, I just focused on my daily grind, period. They can do it for a 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. And the moment they start seeing a result, they will come to you and ask you for the suggestions. This is happening, guys. So what I want to say is, anytime you feel any negativity, don't take that beyond your certain limit. Don't even think about it. Your focus should be only on hitting your goal. Your focus should be only on following your process. Your focus should be only on your daily grind. That's it, simple, period. Every negativity or every naysayer who wanted to pull you down, he will fall off by its own, and he will come and appreciate you, and he will maybe even apologize to you. That will only happen when you focus on your grind, when you keep moving towards your goal. No reason and no one can stop you as long as you focus on your daily grind and as long as you keep moving forward, whatever may happen. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. What I want to say is, take every negativity as opportunity to grow, and don't worry about naysayers and what people say. You just focus on your daily grind and you just focus on hitting your daily goals. You will definitely transform, and your transformation will be answers for all their negative talk. You don't need to answer them, or you don't need to respond to them. Okay, see you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to say something about this video, please do in the comment section, and please do share with your friends and family. Hope this will help them too and help me in spreading the right knowledge. So that's all, guys. Arvind signing off. Please be safe, secure, take care of your family, and don't step out until it is emergency. And even if you step out, wear a mask, sanitize your hands, follow the social distancing, follow all the safety precautions. Take care of you and your family, guys. And I'll be back with one more new video. Till then, Arvind signing off. Bye bye, guys.